was one of my first proper jobs. I guess what it taught me was having a job, whatever the job is really important. I mean, I wasn't doing the most glamorous work, right? I was setting up tables, I was clearing them away, cleaning things, doing all the linen at the end of the night. And at some point I got to, take people's drinks orders, which was an upgrade by the end of it. But, so look, it wasn't glamorous work. It was hard work, but it was amazing to have a job. It was amazing to go to a place for the first time, to do something fulfilling. You get paid for it, which is good. But it actually just understanding what it's like to go and work and be part of a team, and those skills and that experience is more important than learning how to set a table in that sense. So just I think the having of a job, regardless of how glamorous or hard it is critical, especially when you're young and starting out. So that's probably the most important takeaway. I think the other thing is, look, it was a restaurant, it's in the hospitality industry, and over the